Welcome to our channel. Today we how to read and pay a Quest Diagnostics bill. Billing explained step by step clearly. First, find the statement date so you know when the bill was issued. Next, look for the account number or statement number because you will need it if you call or pay online. Then, check the patient name to confirm the bill is for you or your family member. After that, verify the service date range to match the day your lab work was done. Now locate the total amount due to understand the exact balance you are being asked to pay. Next, review the list of tests or services so you can recognize what was performed. Then, find the charges section to see the original billed amounts for each service. After that, check for insurance payments to confirm what your insurer already paid. Next, look for adjustments or discounts that reduce the amount you owe. Then, identify your responsibility line, which may be labeled patient due or amount you owe. Now check for separate balances, because some statements include multiple visits or multiple claims. Next, read any messages about past due to see if a previous balance is included. Then, confirm whether a payment has already been posted, especially if you recently paid. After that, look for the payment options section such as online, phone, mail, or in-person instructions. Next, if you want to pay online, go to the website listed on the statement and choose the bill pay option. Then, enter the required identifiers like your account number and the patient's date of birth if requested. Now choose a payment method, typically a credit card, debit card, or bank account transfer. Next, type the payment amount carefully and make sure it matches the total amount due. Then, review the final confirmation screen to confirm the account and amount are correct. After that, submit the payment and save or screenshot the confirmation number for your records. Next, if you prefer to pay by phone, call the billing number on the statement and follow the automated prompts. Then, keep your account number ready and ask for a receipt or confirmation number at the end. After that, if you choose to pay by mail, write a check or money order payable as instructed on the bill. Next, include the payment slip from the statement and write your account number on the check memo line. Then, mail it to the exact address shown for payments and consider using tracking if the amount is large. Now, if the amount looks wrong, contact Quest Billing and ask for an itemized explanation of the charges and insurance. Next, if you believe insurance should have covered more, call your insurer and compare the EOB with the Quest statement. Then, if you cannot pay in full, ask billing about payment plans or financial assistance options if available. Subscribe to our channel and like this video so you never miss clear step-by-step billing guides. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.